In this video, I am going to show you how to do the printhead cleaning of your HP OfficeJet Pro 9130E series printer. If you have already tried the automatic printhead cleaning and your printer is not showing up all the colors properly, then you can go for the manual printhead cleaning. To start the manual printhead cleaning, open the front chamber. Also lift this section up. Once you see the ink cartridges that comes into the middle section, we have to remove them. Press the ink cartridge inside and then it will come out. Do it for all the 4 ink cartridges. Removing the printhead is quite easy. There is a lever on the right hand side. You just have to push it forward. It will release the printhead along with all ink chamber. You can simply take it off, and now we can clean the printhead that lies just below. So if you are not using your printer from long time, the ink will coagulate or clog at this section and we have to just clear that. So take a wet tissue paper. You can also use a damp cloth. Spray some distilled water or cleaning liquid and then you have to rub it here. So this will unclog the jammed ink. Once it is clear, you will see all the colors are showing up here. So that means it's going to work. So clean it nicely and then we have to reinstall it. To reinstall the printhead, place it here. So slide it in and then adjust its position. Once it is parallel, you have to press this lever. Automatically it will lock the printhead. Now reinstall the ink cartridges one by one and make sure you match the color and install it properly. So you just have to press it in and it locks. Once we do that, now press down the top lid, also close the front section. Wait for the printer. Next step is to do the automatic printhead cleaning so that the ink starts to flow properly. Click on the menu, go to the tools, troubleshooting, print quality, printhead cleaning. Just select the level 1. So it will just take 1 minute and it will take a little bit of ink to flow through the printhead. Click on the start. So this way we can do the printhead cleaning. So we can clearly see the ink has started to work. Although there are some lines, but with more printing it will disappear and we are just ready to use the printer. Thanks for watching.